So here's a quick demo of the Magically Workshop application. What we're doing here is we're setting up a very clean and simple plane where we'll be able to drop in everything from photos, PDFs, movies, 3D models, etc. Now, the nice part is you don't actually have to have a flat space here. I just set it over the top of my ottoman, but you can set it up in any space. Easily adjustable with those boxes in each corner and rotatable with those circles. We confirm our space and now we have an active location for us to put in any information that we want, including downtown Los Angeles and real-time airplane API information. We also have the ability to search a location, such as New York. And when we click on New York, we actually see that it's upstate New York with a very minimal air traffic, and rightfully so. Clicking dragging brings up one or two airplanes, but if we drill down a little bit deeper and type in Newark Liberty International Airport in New Jersey, we'll actually see a ton more traffic. Because all this traffic is here, we can actually click on specific aircraft and see what that tail number is, how fast they're traveling, and some other pertinent information. As we move around the map by just clicking and dragging, you can see all the way out into Long Island or up into the Connecticut area where these planes are going. By doing this, we actually also are enabling a dark mode. Simple dark mode, it's a little bit easier on the eyes for some people, including myself, but we can quickly switch back to satellite mode as well. By clicking and interacting with a clear cache button, we can actually remove completely that map and start our own 3D model space. So the application has preloaded 3D assets for you to play with, including architectural and BIM models for you to interact with. We're opening a BIM model here, but you can also upload PDFs, JPEGs, and even your own movie files. As you place and drop this into a specific location, it enables it and shows you the bounding box so you can add other objects without them overlaying, but moving them around is fairly easy. Even clicking actual size will blow it up well beyond the 70-degree field of view that the Magic Leap 2 has. Moving this around and actually seeing what it looks like is fantastic and can be done in collaborative mode, where multiple Magic Leap 2 headset users can come into your space through a PIN code and hear two-way audio, two-way video, etc. They can actually be interacting with these objects as well through the hand tracking and eye tracking, as well as through head tracking so you can see where they're looking. Adding photos, videos are fairly easy, and even pulling up a Magic Leap exhibition booth here, rotating around, you can see the fidelity of the images and video that are playing. This is a really fantastic tool. For them to open this up and have it out of the box is impressive to say the least, and really helps define what the future of collaborative work will be. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you take a look, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And also, can't wait for the future.